This year, bring the Amritapuri holiday experience into your home.
You are invited to join the holiday reunion.
One world,
one family.
4 weeks of celebration, self-reflection,
service, and upliftment.
Access dozens of workshops and live events, with something for everyone.
Make Indian snacks with the European tour kitchen chefs.
Make New Year's payasam a prasad offering.
And the famous Amritapuri Christmas cake.
Invoke Lord Ganesha through Bharatanatyam dance lessons.
Learn to sing sacred peace hymns.
Make meaningful eco-gifts. Upcycle plastic waste.
Stretch your body and find balance in your soul.
Connect with charitable initiatives around the world.
Honor Mother Nature through community gardening and get tips for making sustainable choices. Celebrate the joy of sharing
On inspiring service projects, from Indian villages
to world markets.
From our homes to serving the homeless.
Disciples and devotees share a garland of gratitude and connection to Amma from afar.
Moving Hanukkah celebrations, and an original Amritapuri Christmas play.
Celebrating the true spirit of the season.
With exclusive backstage footage.
Bring Amma's love,
Joy
and teachings into your holiday season.
Amma says, always remember
that your true family is the family of humankind.
One world, one family. Brought to you by the Amrita Virtual Academy.